To test the resistance of your VacDaddy unit, first bring a multimeter and set it to the resistance measuring mode. Next, you will need to put your probes inside the blue connector. Looking closely, you'll see there are two tabs. These are the tabs that connect the electricity to the motor. Putting your probes against each of them at the same time will allow you to measure the resistance of the motor of your VacDaddy unit. Hold it as tight as you can against each of the tabs inside the connector to get a reliable connection. You should see a small but notable resistance. If it is a direct short, as in 0, something is wrong, and if it is very high, like overload like you see now, it is also wrong. Another method of testing the resistance of your VacDaddy motor is to remove the connector and measure at the screw terminals where the wire connects to your connector. Removing the sleeve, you'll see that there are two screws that have wires going into them on the inside of your VacDaddy unit. Measuring the resistance on those screws is the same as measuring the resistance on the internal tabs. Using your multimeter again in resistance mode, hold the probes against the screws. Once you get a reliable measurement, put the sleeve back on and reattach everything the same way it came apart. It only goes back together one way, and you'll feel it click into place when everything is in the right orientation. It is also a good test to check the voltage coming out of your VacDaddy unit. With your multimeter in DC voltage mode, you can check that it's generating the proper 30 volts coming out. Make sure that your knob is set all the way to the highest speed, and then hold your probes against the internal connectors inside the unit. You will see the two connections inside that are against the center terminal. Hold the probes against the inside tabs. Measure the voltage. You should see 30 volts coming out of your unit.